cardiopulmonary physical fitness or cardiopulmonary endurance, otherwise VO2 max, all are estimated, it means calculated. That is not original one, okay? We are calculating. Only 3 minutes he did the exercise. After 3 minutes, we are calculating the VO2 max, VO2 max. So it is called calculative value or predictive value. It is not absolute value. So as it is a predictive, so we are using milliliter per kg per minute. So as per his performance, his VO2 max is 37.41 milliliter per kg per minute. You can ask me, okay doctor, you are telling only number. What about whether it is excellent or good or poor or average? I tell you now. So 37.41. So 37.4. His age is less than 29. So 37.4 is falling here. So his cardiopulmonary endurance is average. Your cardiopulmonary exercise endurance is average. Okay? You should can improve good, and you can improve excellent also. So you need some exercise, not too much, some exercise to increase your cardiopulmonary endurance. So like this, for our team, football team or any team, we can make them to do like this test for metronome, like that's what cadence state. This metronome you can see here, we can increase or decrease the sound. See like this, like we can decrease also, like this, very slow.
Some name of
metronome, mobile metronome. Okay, our other name is cadence tape.
How normal is this sound?
Normal? What do you mean normal sound?
Before.
His cardiopulmonary endurance, average. Huh? Normal, that one 96 here. This 96. Sorry. 96 beats per minute. Okay? So it is there like 10 beats per minute, and it is there maximum 230 beats sound will come per minute. Like that. Okay, maximum. But for this test, we require only 96. For male, female 88. 88 female. You have to keep female little slow. For male, little fast. Like this. Okay? Clear? Shabab, you clear about this test? How to perform? Okay? Okay, now I am going to do special test. First special test, this one. Plantar fasciitis. Wind loss provocation test. That's what. We have to ask the patient to stand like this. Which side is the symptom? We have to ask the patient to keep little front, bending down. And the great toe is there. The great toe, do extension. Only great toe. Only one toe patient should do extension. When doing patient, big toe, yes, that's called great toe, not big toe, great toe. Extension. Okay, when you do extension, the pain will be there in the medial side. Pain will be there in the medial side. Why pain? Because we are stretching the plantar fascia. We are stretching the patient is stretching the plantar fascia. By that there is a pain in the medial side. Second thing, palpation of plantar fascia. Palpation. How to palpate plantar fascia? If there is a patient with the plantar fasciitis or the patient with heel pain, we have to palpate the patient like here. The pain will be there. So this is the medial arch. This is the medial arch. So this area we can palpate. This will be painful area. Okay? Medial arch. This is the area where there is a pain. So treatment also, if you give ultrasound, so we have to give, this is the area. Ultrasound treatment. Okay, this is plantar fasciitis. Second, quadriceps contusion. I want one model here. Quadriceps contusion, special test.
واحد يفز بسرعة.
مثلا شو
خلص علينا.
Shabab, okay, quadriceps contusion. There are two tests. First test, right? We can ask patient to do resisted knee extension movement. Resisted knee extension movement. See, you have to lift your leg like this up, okay? But I will give pressure down. But you have to overcome. Okay? Yeah. Do up, 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 up. So this resisted knee extension, there is a pain. Number one. Number two, sideline. Sideline. Right. One, either resisted movement, contraction of the muscle, or stretching the muscle. Right? Do knee flexion. Stretch the quadriceps. Right? That time, no, there is a pain in the contusion. This is the quadriceps contusion examination. Okay. Moving into dequarrent stenosynovitis. Finger strain test. Bend the finger, hold it, and do ulnar deviation. Okay. So these are the special tests. Remaining all, like friction massage, we have to do here. Friction massage. Okay. The medial side in this area for the plantar fasciitis. Other stretching and strengthening exercise already there in the this one PPT. PPT, if you see, there is stretching exercises, strengthening exercises there. Okay. Fine. I finished. Anything?